Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to learn how to count dimes, nickels, and pennies. So all three together. And on your assessment on Friday, you will count dimes, nickels, and pennies also. And you will tell us what the value is of each one. So be sure that you're practicing that at home. If you want to pause this video and go get dimes, nickels, and pennies from your house somewhere, you can do that, or you can just follow along with what I'm doing. You will need a dry erase board and marker and some form of something to erase with. Okay, so let me flip you around, and we are going to practice counting some dimes, nickels, and pennies. Let's first go through what their value is. So we have a what? Say what this one is. What is this? It is a dime. And how much is it worth? What is the value of a dime? Say it out loud if you know it. 10 cents. Good. Dime, 10 cents. Okay, what's this one? If I put it on the back, do you know what it is? I'll flip it back over. Say it out loud if you know it. It is a nickel, and it is what? How much? 5 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. And look, the nickel has the 5 cents on the back of it. It says 5. So it gives you a hint. Okay, and what is this one? A penny, and it is worth how much? 1 cent. Okay, so now we are going to practice with dimes, nickels, and pennies. And we're going to count some coins together. Okay, so let's get these all in here. All right, now notice that let's do this first. This is what it's going to look like on your test. Okay, so it's going to be all of them randomly, not in the right order. So what I would do if I was you is I would draw on your whiteboard each coin that you have down here. And I would draw them in order. So remember how we talked about we start with the biggest coin first? So this is in order. The two biggest coins are first. Those are the 2 dimes. Then the nickel, which is right here, and then the 3 pennies, and those are the last 3. So this is what I would do on the test because you can't really put them in order in front of you. Or you could also, look at this, if you have coins at your house and you're doing it with the coins, you can put them in front of you like I have on the test. Okay, so, all right, now let's count these together. 10. Now we're counting by tens, remember, because this is a 10 also. 10, 20. How much is this? 5. So we're going to add 5 to 20. 20, 25. And we're going to switch our brain and add 1. 26, 27, 28. So if we were counting them with this, we would say 10, 20, and then we're adding 5. So 25, 26, 27, 28. Boys and girls, you can also do this. You can add them as you go and write down the numbers so you don't forget. Okay, so if this helps you to count 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, let's try another one. You're going to do this one on your own. So write it on your board what these coins are. It should look like this because the dime comes first, then the nickel, then the penny. And if I was being accurate, the dime would be smaller, right? Okay. All right, go ahead and count those up. Okay, now let's count it together. Let's see if you got it right. 10, we're going to add 5, 15, 16. So if I was writing it on my whiteboard, it would look like this. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay. All right, let's try 2 more. Okay, we're going to do 2 more together. All right, let's get quite a few pennies in here. I'm just going to pull some random ones out. This one has quite a few. All right, I want you to write on your whiteboard this time the coins from biggest coin to smallest coin. So go ahead and write the coins. You have 3 dimes, so 3 coins with a D on them. And then you have 1, 2 nickels. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with P's in them. Remember, we learned how to do that yesterday. So this is what your board should look like when you start counting it. Dimes first, nickels next, pennies last. Okay, let's put them in order. We're going to have to zoom out because I have too many coins. Okay, now, on your board, you're going to count this, and then you're going to write at the bottom how much. I'm going to give you a second to do that. Okay, now let's look at it together. Okay, so we have 10, and another dime is 10 makes 20. We're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30. Now we have 5, so 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. And then we're adding ones now, so it would be 41. 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 cents. Okay, now let's count it together. Ready? Count it with me. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So look at all those coins. You just counted all of those coins. All right, I'm going to give you one more to do. I'm just going to pull out some random coins. Okay, write them on your board. How many dimes do you have? 1 dime. How many nickels do you have? 3 nickels. So 3 coins with an N on them. And how many pennies do you have? 3 pennies. Okay. This is what your board should look like. Go ahead and write it on yours. Pause this video if you need to have more time to write it. And I'm going to put them in order on my sheet. Okay? Okay, go ahead and count these and then put the number underneath. All right, now we're going to count them together. 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now we're counting by fives. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Let's write it on our board. Did you get it right? 10, 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. And then we're adding ones, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so you should have had 28 cents on your board. Remember, we're writing the cent sign when we write it on our board. On our assessment on Friday, we are not writing the cent sign, we're just writing the number. Okay. All right.